had the weekend off. 8 weeks on the last weekend. So what weekend before?
So maybe after it.
No, we're not keeping them. So I've still got 3 to sell. When the registration goes up online on the Kennel website, it'll be announced if there's any left.
You're slurping.
Great dip.
Not for Megan, is it?
Oh,
She could do without that now. But she's still making milk, so
It used to be got out of it, didn't it?
because if you think they take in an awful lot of milk in a couple of minutes, when they were babies, they used to suckle for an hour, didn't they?
Yeah.
Just to get the milk.
did it.
She's only operated on 6 teats in the 7 countries, so it's always been a road.
Let me get in there.
There's one on the floor, right?
Right, when I came into the kitchen, I just saw him. Bob with all his fat in the head, look at the head, and the back legs were like that.
They chase him. Megan, come on, give me up. Megan.
Yes. You're the biggest puppy in the lot.
Isn't he? Frisbee, Daddy.
I'm better than them, aren't I?
He's very careful not to step on them, isn't he?
Oh yeah, you see how we walk
He was watching me off there.
Come on, puppies. There you go. Puppies. There you go. Megan, come here. Come here.
That's it,
Come on.
Hello.
Stop your growling.
Yeah, that's Rosie with the brown. It's the only one I know straight away. She's the brown elbow. Elbow. She's the one who's going to
You're waiting, anyway.
the menace.
What's it teeth, don't they?
Yeah.
She's got a hell of a bite, mate. No.
Just go, ow!
Ow.
Take it away. It's your fault.
Do you know, I think I'm blonde in a past life.
Oh,
No, come on.
yeah.
Come on.
Come on, puppies.